Millions of years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Some of these dinosaurs were huge, like the long-necked Brachiosaurus or the mighty T-Rex. Being big helped them keep their body temperature stable, but then something big happened. An enormous asteroid, about 10 kilometers wide, about the size of a mountain, was on a collision course with Earth. The dinosaurs, who depended on warm temperatures and plenty of food, started to struggle. When the asteroid hit Earth, it caused an explosion so powerful that it created massive waves in the oceans and sent huge clouds of dust and debris into the sky. This blocked out the sunlight for many, many years. Without sunlight, plants couldn't grow, and the world began to cool down. The Earth was changing fast. So at the same time, volcanoes began to erupt all over the planet. These eruptions sent even more smoke and gas into the air, making it even harder for sunlight to reach the ground. So the smoke from the volcanoes, combined with the asteroid's dust, blocked the sunlight, cooling the Earth even more. Temperatures dropped drastically, and the stage was set for something incredible: the Ice Age. Over time, ice began to spread across the land. This was the beginning of the Ice Age. Even though the dinosaurs were gone, new animals emerged, specially adapted to survive in the freezing conditions. One of the most famous was the woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoths had thick fur and a layer of fat to keep them warm in the freezing cold. Their long tusks helped them dig through the snow to find food, like grasses and plants buried beneath the ice. And then there were the saber-toothed cats, or smilodons. They were fierce predators with long, sharp teeth that could pierce the thick skin of their prey. These cats were built for hunting in the cold, stalking other Ice Age animals like mammoths and bison. Other incredible animals, like the giant ground sloth, also lived during the Ice Age. These sloths were as tall as trees and used their massive claws to pull down branches and eat leaves. They moved slowly, but they were perfectly suited for the cold forests of the Ice Age. The Earth during the Ice Age looked very different from today. Glaciers, which are like giant rivers of ice, covered much of the land. These glaciers shaped the mountains and valleys we see today, carving deep grooves into the Earth's surface as they slowly moved. As time went on, the Ice Age started to come to an end. The Earth began to warm up, and the glaciers started to melt. This melting water created rivers, lakes, and oceans, giving new life to the planet. But as the ice disappeared, many of the great Ice Age animals, like the woolly mammoth and saber-toothed cat, couldn't survive the changing climate. Even though the Ice Age animals are gone, their story shows us how life on Earth adapts and changes with the planet. Water from the melting ice created new habitats for the animals we see today, reminding us that every change leads to something new. From the dinosaurs to the animals of the Ice Age, and even the creatures we see today, water has always been a key part of life on Earth. It shapes our world, just like it shaped the Earth millions of years ago. And who knows what the future will bring? But one thing is certain, we'll keep learning and adapting, just like the animals before us.